How to make a mask. Step 1. Identify the inside and the outside of the exterior panel. This is the outside, and this is the inside. Step 2. Identify the two longer sides of the panel and fold both edges over by 1/4 inch. Once folded, sew the edges down to create the top and bottom seams of the panel. Similar to the top and bottom, fold over both the left and right sides of the panel by 1/4 inch and sew it down. Step 3. Identify the two longer sides of the panel which will become the top and bottom sides of your mask. Create marks 1/4 inch down from the top of the mask on both the left and right sides of the panel. On the bottom side of the panel, measure 1/4 inch up on both sides where you'll create another 2 marks. These 4 marks are where your pleats will be positioned. Step 4. Sew an elastic strap to the inside top right corner of the exterior panel. Make a 1/2 inch fold at the mark near the upper right corner created in Step 3 and sew it down to create a pleat. Repeat with the mark at the bottom right, also created in Step 3. Pull the attached elastic strap down to the bottom right side of the panel and sew it down. Make sure the elastic is not twisted. Repeat Step 4 with another elastic strap on the left side of the exterior panel. Step 5. Prepare the inner lining by ironing it flat. Step 6. Fold the shorter edge of the lining 1/4 inch once, then fold it a second time at 1/4 inch as well, before sewing it down. Repeat on the opposite side of the lining. Step 7. Align the white lining with the inner top side of the exterior panel. Once aligned, fold both panels over by 1/4 inch and sew it down. Repeat with the bottom side of the mask, but make sure the inner lining has some wiggle room. Step 8. Trim the loose threads from the completed mask. And just like that, you're done! Tag us on social using the hashtag #MadeForGoodChallenge at Redwood Classics and share who you've donated your masks to. Want to help? You can! We've got the pattern, materials, and instructions you need to make your own masks. It's that simple. Visit redwoodclassics.net.